Hey guys, this is how to fix DJ AI mode missing on the Spotify. So let's get into it and fix this error by using the three methods. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, we just need to check if any update is available for Spotify. So we have to just update the Spotify. For this, you have to just open your Play Store. And now you have to just search here for your Spotify. So once you are here, you have to just check that if the update option is available, then you have to just update it. If not, then you have to just open your Spotify. So once you are here, you have to just make sure that you are using the premium version of your Spotify. You have to just get this premium version of the Spotify. The next method is simply tap and hold on your Spotify app, and here you have to just click on the force stop option first, and then you have to just click on storage and cache. First click on clear cache and then click on the clear storage and then OK. Right after that, you have to just click to uninstall your Spotify app. So once you're done, you have to just wait for 24 to 48 hours, and after this time you have to just again install your Spotify app, and then you will get this option of DJ AI mode on your Spotify. But make sure that the network connection that you are using must be stable. This could be the possible solution of your error. I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.